Welcome to today's episode where we're diving into the intriguing world of on-disk B-tree implementations. Now, if you're wondering what a B-tree is, think of it as a crucial data structure that helps databases and file systems manage and organize data efficiently. Throughout this episode, we'll unpack some key concepts, processes, and challenges that come with B-tree storage systems. We'll particularly focus on issues like fragmentation, updates, and the maintenance processes, including compaction. So let's jump right in. Let's start with fragmentation. When we delete data in a B-tree, the system doesn't physically remove the cells or rearrange the remaining ones to fill in the gaps. Instead, it simply discards the cell offsets. This can create a bit of chaos as the freed bytes get scattered across the page, leading to fragmentation. Now, why is this a problem? Well, fragmentation can slow down write operations because they usually need a contiguous block of free bytes to work their magic. To tackle this, we employ a process called page rewriting, which helps consolidate those freed fragments and bring a sense of order back to the system. Now, speaking of write operations, they play a pivotal role in B-trees. These operations often need a nice, tidy block of free space to accommodate new data. When we rewrite pages, we're not just cleaning up fragmented space. We're also organizing the data in a logical sequence. This organization is particularly beneficial for cache prefetching during sequential reads. By keeping the data naturally sorted, we can significantly boost read performance. Now let's talk about updates in B-trees. Most updates happen at the leaf level. Here's the interesting part. The internal keys mainly serve as guides for navigation and defining the boundaries of subtrees, while updates occur on a per-key basis. This means that updates usually don't cause structural changes within the tree, except for the occasional overflow page. What's even cooler is that updates at the leaf level don't disrupt the order of cells, which helps minimize the need for page rewrites. This clever approach can result in multiple versions of a cell being stored, with only one being accessible at any given time. It's a smart way to handle updates while keeping the integrity of the data structure intact. To keep a B-tree running smoothly, we need to talk about compaction, which is sometimes referred to as vacuuming or maintenance. Compaction is all about reclaiming space that's taken up by dead cells and rewriting pages in their logical order. This process is essential for ensuring that the system operates efficiently. Compaction can happen synchronously during write operations if there isn't enough free physical space available. However, it's typically seen as an asynchronous process that systematically goes through pages, performs garbage collection, and rewrites content. During this time, pages may also be moved to new spots within the file, and any unused in-memory pages are returned to the page cache. Another critical aspect of B-tree maintenance is managing free space. As pages get rewritten and cells are reclaimed, the IDs of the newly available on-disk pages are added to what's known as a free page list, or free list. This clever tracking ensures that free space doesn't get lost or leaked, even if there are node crashes or restarts. Throughout our discussion, we've touched on several key concepts that are vital for understanding on-disk B-tree implementations. For instance, the page header typically holds important information about the page, like its size and type. Then we have rightmost pointers, which are essential for navigating the tree, but require careful handling since they aren't paired with separator keys. High keys play a role too, determining the maximum key that can be stored within a node and influencing data organization. B-trees can also handle oversize and variable size records efficiently, thanks to fixed-size pages that allow for flexibility in data storage. The tree hierarchy is maintained using parent pointers or breadcrumbs, which help in navigation and data retrieval. Elements can even be moved between neighboring nodes to reduce the frequency of splits and merges, optimizing performance. Instead of splitting a node when adding a new rightmost cell, The system assumes it will fill up quickly, which leads to more efficient data management. And let's not forget about building B trees from sorted data. There are techniques that can enhance performance during initial data loading. In wrapping up, we've explored the complexities of on-disk B-tree implementations, which are essential for understanding how modern databases and storage systems function. From managing fragmentation and updates to the significance of compaction and free space management, these concepts bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. If you're curious to dive deeper into these topics, we recommend checking out some of the readings and resources mentioned in our episode. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you've gained valuable insights into the world of B-tree storage systems. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the fascinating realm of data structures.